Hi students, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain NMMS National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Exam February 2021 question paper explanation. It is useful to 2022 NMMS exam. So all the students, please like video, share to your friends. If you not subscribe, please subscribe for more NMMS videos. So in this paper, there are two sections. First one is mental ability and second one is scholastic aptitude test. So part 1 90 minutes and part 2 90 minutes, total 180 marks. So instructions, so read the following instruction. So OMR sheet, answer the OMR sheet with HB pencil. So now let's see the question paper, question and answers. So part 1 mental ability test. So time is here 90 minutes, marks 90 marks. So first question here, directions. Question number 1 to 10. First two given words related in a way the same relation is between third and fourth. Find out the correct answer among given alternatives. So here is first one, knife cut. Here is gun. Which answer is suitable here? So gun, first option here, scope, slaughter, kill, shoot, murder. So correct answer here, gun, shoot. This is the correct answer. Next one, lion, den. This is the relation between two words. Rabbit, here is option hole, pit, burrow, trench, cave. Here is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Next one, filter, water, water filter. So here is third one is edit, test is the correct answer. So no more time, all the students. I will explain topic wise in next videos. So all of you see the question paper model only. Next one, fourth one here. Here is thrust spear. So fourth one, this is not correct answer. None of these is correct. Next one, elbow, wrist. This is the relation. The same relation is between first and second. And knee relation. Here is knee relation. Ankle is the correct answer. First one is the ankle is the correct answer. Next one, cow, mustard, butter. So here is the flour, oil, plant, seed, cheese. So here is the correct answer, oil. Seventh one, 211, 333, 356. So next number here, 388. I will explain next videos. Next eighth one, food, stomach. So this is the relation, food, stomach. Fuel, here is automobile, engine, truck, plane, tractor. So fuel, suitable answer here, relation answer, engine. And ninth one, wine, grapes. So these are the relation. Vodka, apples, potatoes, oranges, flower, bush. So vodka is relation to second one, potatoes. Vodka is alcohol. This is related to potatoes. Next one, this is BVSC. So YEHX. So alphabets you know, A to Z. So B in the place of Y, V place of E, S place of H, C place of X. So this is the relation. Next one, MRCP. So here is the answer here. Third one is the correct answer. Next one, 11th one. Next one, 11th one. Sorry, 12th one here. 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. So this is the series which is the next number here. So your next number is, here is the 2, 3, 12th one here is, third one is the answer. Next one, 13th one. So here is the alphabet, one of the alphabet missed. 13th one here. So here is A, here is A, here is D, here is D, here is M, M and Z, M and Z, and here is B and M. So this is, I will explain next videos in detail. So this is only question paper explanation. 14th one here, 5th one is the right answer. And next one, 15th here, A, E, J, W, E. Say A after E. Here is missing letter, B, C, D. 3 letters missed here. And E, J between F, G, H, I. Here is 4 letters missed. So next one here, 5 letters difference is there. 15th one, here is the third one, P is the right answer. Next to 16th one, 6, 12, 21, 48. This is the series. So here is the answer here, 33. So next one, 17th, 2000, 460, 3570, 4680. So difference. So all of you do the difference. Next add the difference. So here is the 17th one is the 8460. So dear children, you see the direction here. Question number 18 to 22, 4 alternatives are alike. So, but one is different. 4 are same, but one is different. So, find out the different one and write its answer. So, 18th one here, Nagpur, Varanasi, Mathura, Haridwar, Allahabad. So, which is different here? So, here is different. Nagpur is different. So, Varanasi, Mathura, Haridwar, so Allahabad. These are same. So, Nagpur is different. So, next one 19. So, numbers given here. Here is different number. Second one, I will explain next classes. 20th, socialist, neurologist, economist, educationalist, psychologist. So 4 options same, one is different. So here is second one, neurologist is different. These are the education, social, economics, educational. So this is neurologist is different. Next one, here is D, J, R, T. So here is a letters combination. So different one is, second one is different. Next question. Here is also letters combination BJL, FKP, AEI. So difference, you check the difference. Here is the correct answer. Third one is the different one. These are the four answers same, but for third one is different. Next one, in question number 23 to 24, in these questions, one word is coded according to particular pattern. So here is a word is given. In the place of U, write V, N, I in the place write J, B, V, E in the place F. So let us for another word following the same pattern. So for example, same code would you write secretary. U after B, here is S after in alphabets T. So here is same N. So next to T, okay, T after same letter E will come. Next one, I after J, here is C after letter D. So which is the correct answer here? 23rd one, 5th one is the correct answer. Very easy to learn. Next one, same code here. So this is the systematic, so this is the code. So you also physical, you change this physical just like above example. 24th year, second one is the right answer. Next one, question number 25 to 31. The following diagram shows results of survey conducted on a group of class 8 students on their career choice. The rectangle represents, very important, rectangle represents student interested in becoming engineer. So rectangle, the shape of rectangle is the represent of engineers. The circle represents those who are interested in artist. Circle represents artist, and triangle, which is triangle represents who will like to managers. Assuming the career choice get realized, answer the question. Are you assumed rectangle who are interested in engineer, circle which is interested artist, and triangle is managers. So this is the picture which is given. So analyze the matter and choose the correct answer. 25th one here. How many students would neither like to become engineers nor managers? How many students would neither like to become engineers nor managers? So here is rectangle which is become engineers, circle is artist, triangle is managers. So here is the answer. 25th is 22 is the correct answer. So fourth one. Next one, how many engineers will also be artists? How many engineers will also be artists? So here is the 26th one. Here is the answer is third one is the correct answer. This is also 22. How many managers will neither be artists nor engineers? Nor artists nor engineers. So here is 27. First one is the correct answer. So answers you see in the pictures. Next one, 28th one. How many engineers will neither be artists nor managers? So here is 30. This is the answer. This is the answer. Next one, how many managers will also be engineers and artists? So combination engineers and artists. So here is not correct answer is given. So add score. So here is add score, not answer is given. This is add score to all the students. Add score. This is. Next question, 30th. If bridge is written as B in the place write E, R, U, I, L. Same the pattern, fruit B will become E. It means B after C and D. So here is F after G and H. Next letter is I. So here is I. All first letter is I. So next you see R. R after R in the place here is U. Means S, T. So two letters after come U. Here is R. So here is U. So you check the this one. This is the correct one. Next one. If Kashmir is written as K in 8, A1, S4. So just like you RIMSHAK can be written as. So R here means 3. R here 3. So first one 3. So 3 is there in all options. So next one I. I in the place you see 5. So 5 also there. Next one M. M in the place equivalent to 7. So here is 7, here is 7. So 1, 2, 3. Next one S. S this is 2. 7 after 2. So here is M after here is S. So 31 here. First one is the correct answer. You check. Next one in question number 32 to 40. A figure is given in which is divided into certain parts. Each part base number and one part is blank number following certain pattern of rule. So rule is there, but rule is inside. You are required to analyze the given figures and then answer the correct option. So this is the 11, 6, 8. So here is one of the figure. So here, which is the correct answer here. So I will explain in next classes. So you see the answer. Here is the third one is the correct answer. Here is 16 is the correct answer. Next one, this is also model. So here is missing is fourth one is the correct answer. Next one, this is very easy to understand. 6, 7. So 6, 7, 42, 13. Dear student, you can understand 6 into 7. 6, 7 is 42. And 6 plus 7, 13. It is the same. Here is 4 into 9, 36. 4 plus 9, 13. Just like 8 plus 3, here is 11. So 8 into 3. Once you multiply these numbers and next to add these numbers. So 8 into 3, you can understand 8 3 is 24. Next one, 7, 2, 42, 3. So 9. So I will explain next two classes. 35 here is the third one is the correct answer. 5 2 is 10. 10 into 3, 30. 5 2 is 10. Minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 30. Next one. So you multiply 49 into 9 into 25. You can get answer. So this is answer. 36 here is the fourth one. Next one, 37 here. You see, you can understand 24 into 2, 48. 48 into 2, 96. So here is 32 into 2, 64. 32 by 2 divided by 2, 18. So here is 64 లో in 64 of 32. In 32 here is half by 2 is equal to 16. 32 by 2. So is equal to, you can get this answer 16. Next one, here is 100. So you see this, here is the answer. Next one, here is 4 is the correct answer. Next one, next year 39. This is the answer. Next one, here is the missing is 36. 41. Here is figures is there, and this is the figure, problem figure, this is question figure. So which is suitable here? This is the suitable, second one is suitable. Next one, 43. So this is the correct answer, fourth one. 44. So you, very easy, here is square, it will come 2 squares. Here is circle, next to 2 circles, very easy. Next one, 45. Third one is the next one. Third, this is the correct one. In question number 46 to 50, in the problem figures, one figure marked question mark is missing. There is set of answer figures also in which 5 alternatives are given. So which is the correct answer? Here is missing, which is the correct answer? You choose the option. So 46 here, fourth one is the missing part. This is it here is suitable. Next one, 47. So here is, you see this problem figure. So here is 47 here, fifth one is the correct answer. Here is suitable this one. 48. So here is suitable figure. You check it. Third one is the correct answer. Next one. So problem figure, here missing part. So missing part is, this is the missing part. Third one is the missing part. Next one, this is problem figure, missing part is, here is the first one. Next one, in the questions number 51 to 57, numbers are placed in the figure on the basis of some rule, but one place has the sign of question mark. You have to find out the one correct one among the 5 alternatives. So you see, so one rule is there. Find the correct answer. I will explain topic wise in next videos. So students, don't worry about answers. So this is the, here is suitable here. Second one is the correct answer, 130. Next one, 52nd. So here is missing is, third one is the correct answer. Next one, this is easy to understand. 2 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 3, 3, 5 minus 4, 1. Same just like here is 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 2, 4. So just like 53rd, 3 is the correct answer. Here is 7 minus 5, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 3 minus 1, 2. So 54, here is the missing is, 54 missing is, fourth one is the correct answer, 31. Next one, 55. This is also very easy. Here is square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 3. So 2 here is 2 square root. So here is root of 9 3. So into 2 into 3 6, this one. So just like here is 3, 9 root is 3 and 4 16 is 4 4 the 4, 3 4 the 12. Next one is 4. Here is not given. This is which can, here is the 55 is the fourth one is the correct answer. So here is answer. Next one here 56. So here is the fourth one is the correct answer. Next 57, here is missing. 57 is the correct answer. Next one, in question numbers 58 to 63, 4 are alike. So 4 are same, but one is different. So find one which is different one. Rose, lotus, marigold, lily, tulip. So which is 58? One is different, that is lily is different. So this lily flower is different, which is in water. 59 here, 4 options are same. Poland, Greece, Spain, Italy, Korea. So 59, so fifth one is different. So because Korea is in Asia, these are in Europe continent. Next one, 61. Here Gangtok, Singbam, Hyderabad, Chennai and Bhubaneswar. In 60, so second one is different. So remaining 4, Gangtok, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, these are the capital cities of the states. So Singbam is not capital. 61, lake, sea, river, pool, pond. So here is 61 is which is different. So sea. So why? Lake, river, pool, pond. These water are tasty and sweet. Sea water, salt. So different one. 62, here is coat, shirt, blouse, trousers, sweaters. So this is different one. This is different. Next one, calendar, year, date, month, day. So 63rd, year, date, month, day same, but calendar is different. So this is the answer. Next one, here is 4 plus 3 into 5 is equal to 17. So here is the students, all of you, you write, here is in the place of place, you write into, here is write into place, you write plus and you write is equal to. So check the answer. So right side LHS and RHS are when equal, that is the correct equation. I will explain in next classes. Very, very important this one. So this is the correct one. So you see the correct one. Once you check it, so in the place of plus, write here is into. So in the place of into, write here is plus. So is equal to in the place of is equal to. So you see 4 into 3 multiplication, 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12 plus 5. 5 is equal to 17. So 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So this is the correct answer. You apply another symbols, so which is not correct. Next one, 67, second one is the correct answer. 68, second one is the correct answer. Now check, once you check. For example, so in the place of is equal to, this is the answer. minus, so in the minus into, so this is equal to is equal to. So you see 17 minus 7, 17 minus 7, 10. Here is 68. Here is second one is the correct answer. 69. Fifth one is the correct answer. 70. First one is the correct answer. You check it. Here is divided by, means, and here is into. 5 divided by answer 3. 5 3 ja. 3 into 4, 12. Next one, question number 71 to 80. So you see each of the following questions consist of two sets figures. Figure A, B, C, D and constitute the problem set, while figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see it. Here is the problem figure. This is one. Next answer here. 71 here next answer. Third one is the correct answer. So here is the third one. 72 problem figure. This one change this one next, which is this is one. 72. This is the second. So you it changes just like this one. Next one. 73 problem figure. So you see, then change just like now answer figure 73. So this is the correct answer. First one is the correct answer. Here it comes first one. 74 problem figure. This one, this will come center and this will go this side. You see 74. Fourth one is the correct answer. This one. 75. So problem figure. You see, then it will come this like, you see this is this figure. Next will be 75. So this is the answer. You can easily understand the figure answer. So here is the very easy problem figure. This relative relation. So this is problem, which is the correct one, answer figure. So very easy to choose. Fifth one is the correct answer. Next one, these are the problem figures. You see, next one 77. Fifth one is the answer figure. So problem figure, this one and this one. Answer figure 78. Fifth one, this is the answer figure. Next one 79. Problem figure. You see this one, which is the answer figure. Here 79. First one is the answer. Next one 80. This is the problem figure, very easy. Next answer, this is circle. So 80. This is the answer. Directions 81 to 90. Each of the following questions consists of 5 figures. So A, B, C, D and E called the problem figure. So 5 answer figures also there. You see problem figure. How to change problem figures? Next answer figure 81. So this is. So next one 82. You see this one. Next 84, 83. So this is the, you see this is the correct one. Next 84. Problem figure and answer figure. Next one, 85. These are the problem figures. Answer figure is suitable to second one. Next, 86. You see this one. I will explain next classes. You don't worry about these problem figures and answer figure. So next one, 87. Problem figure, you see, check it. Oh, fourth one. Next, 88. Answer figure. Problem figure, 89. So the fourth one. 90. This is the problem figure. So next. Okay, next physics question number 91 to 102. 91. The resisting force to movement of an object is called. So friction, magnetic force, tension, normal force. So this is the correct answer, friction. 92. For the body at rest, the net force is, here is option 3 is the correct answer, 0. 93. The friction as self-adjusting force is, this is the correct answer, static friction is the correct answer, second one. 94. Dash reduces the friction. Lubricants is the correct answer. First one is the right answer. Next question, 95. The shrillness of a sound is known as vibration, amplitude, pitch, frequency. So correct answer here, pitch is the correct answer. 96. Length of vocal cords in women is dash millimeter. So this is 15 millimeter, correct answer, second one. The line joining the pole and the center of curvature is called the principal axis is the correct answer. 98. Bouncing back of light is called reflection is the correct answer. First one is the correct answer. Next one, the basic unit of time is very easy, day, hours, seconds, months. So seconds, third one is the correct answer. 100. The instrument for measuring distance is, first one odometer, second one speedometer, third one altimeter, and last one none. The instrument for measuring distance is odometer is the correct answer, first one. Next one, 101. Motion is observed in ringing of a bell. Here is oscillatory motion is called. So third one is the correct answer. The element in electric cooker is made up of nichrome. Nichrome is correct answer, fourth one. Chemistry 103 to 113. The property of changing the metal into sheet is, this is malleability. This is the correct answer, first one. 104. The substances that are soapy to touch. This is also easy, soapy to touch, that is basic. Second one correct answer. Humidity is measured by, this is the correct answer, hydrometer is the correct answer, fourth one. Air expands on, This is 106. Second one is the correct answer, heating. Changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. This is chemical changes. Second one is the correct answer. Rust is first one iron, second one oxygen, third one water, fourth one iron oxide. So rust is fourth one is the correct answer, iron oxide. 109. The formula of potassium permanganate is. So potassium permanganate formula KMNO4. This is the correct answer. Second one is the correct answer, KMNO4. 110. The liquid fuel used in homes is. This is the correct one, LPG gas. LPG, liquid petroleum gas used in homes. Second one is the correct answer. Dash is not natural fiber. Cotton, silk, wool, nylon. So nylon is not natural fiber. Next one, the handles of utensils are made of. First one, here is the 112. First one is the correct answer. Bakelite is the correct answer. First one. Sulfur dioxide is a basic oxide, oxidic oxide, neutral oxide, none. So this is sulfur dioxide, acidic oxide, acidic oxide. Next one, biology. The disease which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. So here is deficiency of C vitamin is. Third one is the correct answer, scurvy. Next one, the enzyme petalin is secreted by. Second one is the correct answer, salivary glands is the correct answer. 116. In plants are the secondary metabolites are. This is alkaloids is the correct answer, fourth one. 117. The release of carbon dioxide during respiration can be tested with very important lime water. 118. The cellular representation takes place in. This is mitochondria. Third one is the correct answer. 119. The instrument used to measure the blood pressure is BP. So here is the correct answer. 119. Sphygmomanometer is the correct answer. Second one. Next one. 120. The excretory organ in platyhelminthes is. 120 is the flame cells is the correct answer. The number of corneal nerves in human being is. This is third one correct answer, 12 pairs. Next one, gonadotropin hormone is secreted by. This is pituitary gland. 123. The phytohormone which is useful for ripening of fruits is. So this is ethylene is the correct answer. 124. In bryophyllum, the vegetative reproduction occurs through. This is leaf. 125. The total number of cananeus present in human being is. So this is 4. Next one. So mathematics, all the students, I will explain only question paper. In next video, I will explain in detail. So question number 126. So here is, if root of 1 plus 25 by 144 is equal to 1 plus x by 12, then the value of x. So all the students, so I will explain next video. So here is the answer is 1. So here is salvation here, 144 plus 25, 169. So 169 13 by 12 is equal to, so here is 169 square root 13, 144 12, 13 by 12 is equal to 1 plus x by 2. Salvation cheste, when you do salvation you can get answer 1. The dimension of rectangular hall 32 meter 18, if each tile measures 3 meter 2 meter, then the number of tiles required for tiling. So salvation, when done the salvation, you can get second one, answer 96. 128. So here is the third one. This is only model paper. Next we will practice. 129. If a number of exceed 20% itself by 40, then the number is. So next one here, 50 is the answer. Next one, then the cube root of 216 by 343 is. So this is the cube root. So cube root meaning 6 cube by 7 cube. 7 7 the 49, 49 into 7 343. So 6 6 the 36, 36 into 216. When you do cube root, this is the answer. 131. The sum of two rational number is minus 3. If one of the number is minus 7 by 5, then other number is. So in this is the correct answer. 132. So this is the correct answer. Next one, 133. So this is very easy. A plus b whole square model. So here is 133 is, fourth one is the correct answer. Next one, x minus 1 by x is equal to. So next one, medium. Median means middle. So all of your ascending order, you change this ascending order, which is mean. The second one is the mean. Next one, 135. This is the 136. 136 problem. The length of rectangle is 3x minus 2 centimeter. Breadth is x plus 4. If it is perimeter is 60, then the value of, so perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So fill substitute these values in perimeter formula, you can get the answer. So this is the answer. Next one, 137. So A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, when B is to C is equal to 5 is to 8, A plus B plus C is equal to 98, then value of B is equal to, so 137, this is third one is the right answer. Next one, 138, if 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 8 power x, you change this 8 into 2 power 3, the value of x is equal to, x plus 1 is equal to 3x, so 2x, here is 2 power, this is, this change into 2 power 3x, 2 power 3x, so 2 cancel, x plus 1 is equal to 3x, so 3x, this minus 2x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 138, so 1 by 2 is the right answer. Next one, 139. 139 is, this is the 1:1 ratio. 140 is the fourth one, the value fourth one is the right answer. Next one, 141, so second one is the answer. 142, so third one is the correct answer. So 40 plus 50, 90 degrees, angle ADB is equal to 90 minus 40 is equal to 50. So rational numbers, the least rational number 143. So this is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 divide 2 with 3, divide 3 with 4, this 0.75. So this is the least rational number. Simplified from form of this one, this is the answer. I will explain next video in detail chapter wise. So 145, so 28 cube meaning 28 into 28 into 28, 17 into 17, 3 times, and 11 into 11 into 11. So after salvation you will get 145, fourth one is the correct answer. Next one 146, geography. So who prepared one of the first survey based maps of India? So this is the James Runnell is the answer. 157, which of the following cities related to extreme climate? So here is 157, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Kanyakumari. So here is Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Kanyakumari, they are near the seas, but Hyderabad is different. So this is the answer 157. 158, which of the following factors is not responsible for change in seasons? So here is the length of equator. 159, find the correct one about the Eskimos. So all the answers correct, all the above, fourth one is the right answer. 160, which forests are dense forests with a very large varieties of trees? So this is evergreen forest is the correct answer. Next one 161, find the correct one about coal mining. So here is all the above is the correct answer. Next one 162, which of the following is not the form of precipitation? So 162, humidity. Next one 163, the district receiving least rainfall in Telangana is? So this one Kamareddy, Khammam, Joglamba, Gadwal, Surapeta. So this is the Joglamba, Gadwal. 164, the part of Europe which receives showers all around the year is? This is Western Europe is the answer. Next 165, the highest peak in Africa is? So this is Mount Kilimanjaro. Answer is there in textbook. All the students read the textbook thoroughly. All of you practice textbook. Next one 163, political science. India celebrates Republic Day every year on 166. So 26th January is the right answer. 164, in our constitution we wrote India is a sovereign country. So here is sovereign means 161, sovereign means no external power can make laws for India. Is the 167 is the second one is the correct answer. 168, the maximum number of members the Rajya Sabha can have. So 250 members in Rajya Sabha. So fourth one, the MLA of all the states and the members of both houses parliament elect the, here is Prime Minister, Governor, President, Collector. So President is the right answer. The Supreme Court of India is located in? Supreme Court of India is located in, very easy, New Delhi. Fourth one is the right answer. 161, the number of MLAs the Telangana State Assembly has? So 119 is the right answer, first one. So next to 172, which of the following statement is true? In the elections, candidate who secures the least number of votes is declared elected. So wrong. All the MLAs together elected a person as the Speaker of the Assembly. So this is the correct. Chief Minister is not leader of the cabinet. This is wrong. Government officers will make the last. So this is the wrong. this is the true one. Statement, true statement is second one. Following statement of the correct statement of the following is 173. So here many villages together form a mandal. Revenue officer keeps the land records. The collector is in charge of mandal. This is wrong. The government of a state appointed by the chief minister of the state. So 173, this is the correct. First one and second one is the correct. This one and this one correct. Remaining third one and fourth one are wrong. This is the correct answer, fourth one. The chairperson of the committee for drafting of the Constitution of India. Constitution of very important question idi. This is, so second one here, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the very important. So election of state legislative assembly are held once in every year. So election are held in once 5 years. So fourth one is the year 5 years is the correct answer. Economics. So 176 to 180. Industrial revolution was started for the first time in this country. So 176. So England is the right answer. Next one, which of the following does not come under the process of evaluation of money? So this is 171. Grains, animals, precious metals, none of the above. So 177, none of the above. Next one, a multi-purpose health assistant MPHA performs his duties at the. So this is sub-center. These questions are in textbook. All the students read the textbook thoroughly and practice it. 179, find out the wrong sentence about health services. Nutritious food helps in improving the health scenario. Rural areas have trained doctors. India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world. Fourth one, all the above. So here is the rural areas have trained doctors. So next one. So this is the not correct. This all the above is the right answer. 180, name of the drought responsible for the migration of many number of Indians to South Africa. So Mauritius, Fiji, etc. labors after 1865. This is Ganjam famine. This is the answer. Okay. All the viewers, please like video, share to your friends. So once again, 179 is the second one is the correct answer. So all the viewers, like video, share to your friends, subscribe our channel. So for more NMMS videos, you see our channel playlist also there. Thank you very much.